Oh! Hello YouTube, Redface here, and welcome.
Yeah, it's time.
Back to another sneaky, well, I mean, it is sneaky, but Stuffy Studios reaction video. Another HR horror reaction, if you will. Let me start this off by saying I didn't have, like, the actual intention to react to this for a few reasons. Number one, I wanted to sleep. Yeah, I saw he uploaded it, and I was like, okay, I gotta make a reaction to that in the next couple of days, but it's not gonna be today because I want to sleep tonight. And number two, as you can see in the title, it says remake. So my initial thought with that was, okay, this is sort of like a remake, he's just redoing it. Maybe I don't necessarily have to react to it, but you know, then again, people watch remakes and reboots all the time. Not to say that he's rebooting the series, like he even announced the season 2, but I'm just saying, like, I didn't know if I necessarily had to react to this, but clearly you guys wanted it. Michael Afton, let me shout you out for a second, you actually commented in one of my videos saying that Stuffy uploaded another video, so here's my gift to you. Yeah, he's really doing his thing. But without further ado, sneaky sound test MP4. Guys, you realize I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight, right? That's just how this usually goes. Let me just hit play. Okay. Ooh, that was way too close at the beginning. I don't like that. What? Ooh. That's a good blend of, like, real life and his animation.
Hello?
I'm assuming that it's a
Is this working?
animation.
Well, if it is, hey, you should be Sam Gutter, the new guy.
Who?
If not, then something must have happened.
Yeah, something happened, alright.
So, basically, in a week, we're gonna be, how do I say this, relocating these robots.
Oh.
Animatronics.
Look at him looking. I'm too busy focused on the captions. Look at Stuffy. Sneaky. Oh my gosh.
After that, you'll begin cleaning him up, and we have some other guys that can help you out with rusted joints and such if that's a problem.
That's not gonna be the
But I
problem.
don't think that will be an issue, so don't worry about it. Sorry, I digress. What we're gonna do for this test is play some sounds and see how he reacts to them.
Oh no.
Certain sounds can trigger
I already know where
movements
this
in
is going.
eyes, arms,
Criminal.
and so on.
Yeah, you already
It's
know.
programmed like this for a reason. Though I'm not sure what that is, so don't go questioning me about it. Okay, first sound. Here we go.
Sir, you're dead. No. Get it away from me. I don't like it. Don't you stop on me. Don't stop on me. No. No. I see you looking at me, looking at you. What are you gonna do about it? Come on, Sneaky.
Okay, that was good, very good.
Oh, it was not very good.
That way.
Throw the whole
Something may be
bro.
off. Faulty wiring?
Faulty.
Yes,
Throw the animatronic away. Burn this thing. Throw it in the Bermuda.
Next sound.
I don't care. Launch it into space. Ooh, that's unsettling. Oh!
No, that wasn't. Oh God, Sam, you need to take out that flashlight. I know you can't talk back, so I'm hoping you can hear me clearly right now. Go look for Sneaky. There's no chance he got too far.
Go. You want me to go after that thing? It's like, no, I want to live. How about that? Oh, it's a wrap, no bun. I'm scared. You're scared? Okay. I miss my friends. But they betrayed me. What is that thing in the background? It's left me here with him, or whatever that said. And now I can never leave. That thing in the background has been here since the beginning of... Ooh! No. My name is Cameron. But when did I ask? Okay. That was the end of it. That wasn't too scary, but it was definitely unsettling. My main question is, not just to Stuffy, but also to all these analog horror FNAF videotape creators on YouTube. Where do you get these pictures of children and just regular everyday men? Where you get to alter their face and make it look like that? Okay, well, the good news is I'm definitely gonna be able to sleep tonight. Maybe. More good news is I cannot wait for Stuffy to drop season 2, or just the first video of season 2. Maybe this was the first video of season 2, or in some form or fashion, but like that face, both of those faces, the one behind Sneaky the cat and then the one that was Cameron, those are just forever in my brain now. So I'm grateful for that, Stuffy. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna go read my Bible, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you send your face in the subscribe button until it is red, your face, not the subscribe button that is not supposed to turn gray. And make sure you also like and share the video because that helps out a lot. Until next time, Redface out. Goodbye, guys. What the freak do you constantly have me watching?